Hello everyone, my name is Susmita Homakai and today I'll be presenting my week 3 assignment MIS 520 in this presentation. I'll be talking about how data is collected in the data lake, how it is structured and how it is stored in the warehouse, and finally sharing side from the chapter 8 starting on the storytelling with the data. Now I'll go in another slide. Here is the collecting data into a data lake as sources, storage, and flexibility. In sources, various unstructured and raw data inputs. Storage means centralized repository, all the original format, and flexibility. We have the different advantages in the flexibility, like scalable and cost effective. Support schema on the read for flexible queries, ideal for big data and machine learning application. Now in another slide, structuring data in data warehouse. Its benefits are optimizing for the reporting and query, ensuring consistency and accuracy. For example, a financial department load cleaned and formatted monthly sales data into a data warehouse for executive data, dashboards. For another slide, I'd like to talk about the difference between data lakes and data. Um, in data lakes, we have the key features like data type, cost, schema, use cases. In data lake, that is unstructured and raw, but data warehouse has structure. Um, in data lake, uh, cost is low, but in data warehouse the cost will be higher. uh, and in use cases, data is big data and AI ML, but in data warehouse we'll use business intelligence. For another slide, data visualization, storytelling, and data. uh, uh, and I'll talk about this image is visual with a simple chart or dashboard illustrating a clear trend or key of the message. Chap- um, Storytelling with data involves selecting visuals that clarify, not confuse. It's all about the knowing your audience and highlighting key takeaway without clutter. This approach makes the data meaningful and memorable. Like data visualization and the storytelling with the data, key message focus on the story behind the number. Visualization type using chart fitting the data context. Audience engagement, simplify and highlight insight for the clarity. Next one slide is the best practice in data storytelling. Understanding the audience, choose right visual, keep it simple, and tell a clear story about the data logically. Visualize how data move from raw input to insight key step like collecting data, analyzing for insight, and shape it into a clear visual story for the audience. And in conclusion, using a data lake to collect and store diverse data, build data warehouse for organized structure and analyzing, communicate finding through clear visual story, combine tech and storytelling for smarter decision making. Thank you so much. This much for today. Thank you for listening.